Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to easily change the language of your MSI G242L. So first what you guys want to do is go over to the settings. Now here in those settings you guys want to go over right to the bottom. It's also called settings, and here let's click on the language, and here you guys can choose the language. As you guys can see, it changes automatically. Not a lot of languages to choose from, but still there's a big chance that your language is here, so no worries. And here you guys can change it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.